Hi, welcome to my channel. Today is an exciting day. Now, if any of you watched my channel a couple years ago, I am not new to recreating tutorials. I've done Kylie Jenner's. Now that I'm actually putting it on my face. Yes. Oops. Made a boo-boo. Doesn't matter. We're Kylie. I've done a Nikki tutorials. My favorite brush. And today I think it's time to add to that list. Now I was thinking, it's been a while, how do I come back to this game strong? Well, have I got a treat for you. Today we are going to be doing a video. The beautiful and majestic firecracker beauty guru, Myka Stauffer. I don't know if I obtain the skills required to successfully complete this tutorial. But you know what? Gosh darn it, I'm gonna give it a go.
All right, let's go.
First, take lots and lots of, ooh, this works. Lots and lots of face lotion.
Okay, so we're gonna start with lots and lots of face lotion. So I'm just gonna use the St. Ives watermelon because it smells like candy.
Lather it all over your face. Don't even care where it is.
Some on my fingers, and then we'll just lather it all over the face. Off to a good start.
You don't want it to blend. You really want to keep it patchy.
I don't think she knows how moisturizer works. Man, my moisturizer is really patchy today.
Yes. A lot more. Don't blend with your cheeks. Whatever you do, you want to be fabulous, amazing, just so beautiful. It is the new year, right? What a wonderful way to meet a new man and
Ooh. So we're putting on a shit ton of foundation. Here's the thing, I don't wear foundation. But if we're going to be avoiding blending with our cheeks, it shouldn't really matter. So I'm going to use my NYX BB cream. Whoa. And then we're going to use our hands to blend. History lesson. Back in the day, way back in the day, kids, before beauty blenders, yes, I've been alive that long, people used their hands. So she said not to blend the cheeks, so I'm just gonna tap around my cheeks, right?
concealer.
Concealer.
Ooh, this is what I call Kim K. Oh, Kim K, no.
Kim K. Okay, so she's using a brush. I got this. This looks pretty close.
And you gotta do a triangle, but you can't do a little triangle. You gotta do a really big triangle.
Because I don't know. Okay, well, we'll do this. And then we're gonna, she's stamping that under the eye. And then doing a triangle. Done. My concealer's really light. So I'm probably doing all of this wrong just because I tend to wear pretty translucent makeup. I don't know.
Don't forget the triangle on your forehead.
Okay, I forgot the triangle on my forehead. Oh no, gotta catch up. That triangle on my forehead. Okay, triangle. Is that a triangle? Can you see it?
Looks so beautiful. Concealer really soaks into the skin. You don't need a blend.
So she says I don't need to blend. Yeah. Concealer successfully soaked into skin.
Oh wait a minute. I forgot my powder.
Powder.
I don't have a powder brush, so sometimes I just take the powder and just kind of throw it. Ooh, yeah, that's...
Okay, that's a new technique. I don't have a loose powder, so I guess I'm just gonna have to tap it with my fingers. So I'm just gonna use both my fingers, get a bit of powder on here, and then she like puts it under her eyes. I'm not blending, don't worry. I am not blending. I can't really throw that at my face. So she does this. Girl, where else you put it? Just do a tap. I think she's onto something.
Lots and lots of blush.
Lots and lots of blush. Let's see how she does this.
Ooh, yeah, baby. Okay.
And the forehead. Okay.
Okay, I need some bronzer. I just can't.
Start with the blush, and then we'll get to the bronzer. Unicorn brush seems fitting. Tarte one for this. I think that's pretty. It's not quite as pink as hers, but I'm very pasty, so I don't own a blush that dark. Plops it. Should just plops it right on there. Do the forehead blush. Forehead blusheroo. Bam!
Contour, make sure that you don't ever
I'm just
blend
contouring with it.
it. Get the darkest color. Even if it doesn't match your skin, go dark or go home.
I've heard of that.
You want to look like you just came out of the Bahamas, baby.
Oh yeah. Well, you know, Myka Stauffer knows all about the Bahamas, so yeah, she says to use the darkest shades you can find, but all I have is this butter bronzer. And it smells like what I imagine the Bahamas smell like. So let's do that. She gets some on here. Get a shit ton on here. Contours. So she just contours and that's it. I'm not going to blend it. And then she goes under the chin.
I'm going to blend just a little.
Oh, she is blending.
Oh, hallelujah.
Bitch.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Just a little.
Does singing make the blending go better? Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I think it helped. Keeping shit secret like that. What's next?
If you don't have glitter and you don't have color, what are we wasting our time on?
Oh my god, she's so right though. We need glitter and color. I have both those things.
Precious and fun, because I know that I'm really precious.
That was a little slurred, so other than precious, I really have no idea what she just said, so I'm gonna have to just look at the color.
Ooh, baby!
Looks like a purple.
Oh, wow. I look so precious right now. Oh my gosh.
Do you look precious?
And when you do your, if you want to do a cat eye, really exaggerate it. Just get it good. Good.
Okay, it looks like a lilac. It looks like a lilac. Let's see, what do I got here? I have... This palette is what I'm using today because I have not used this at all on this channel yet. So we've got, this is the Tarte Winter Glam palette. I'm going to use this color right here. It looks precious to me. A little bit of this. Then we'll just, she's just patting it on the lid, right? Does this look right? Sweet. If we're doing a cat eye, we're gonna exaggerate it a little bit. I don't think I've ever had more helpful makeup tips. Now what?
You do a little bit more blending.
She keeps saying not to blend and then blends.
I can't stop looking at my in the mirror.
At my in the
But you
mirror.
do, the biggest deal right now is lots and lots of glitter. Like,
Lots and lots of glitter. Speaking my language. Where do we put it?
if you're not wearing glitter this year, you're pretty much, you gotta use your finger.
Gotta use your finger.
Oh yeah, 3D dimensional, that's what we're going for.
I don't have that color of glitter. What I do have is a Stila. I have a Stila glitter. This is in Gold Goddess, so I'm not really keeping with the dark color scheme that she's got going on here. And this is an applicator. I'm clearly not using the right products. Anyway, I'm doing the bestest I try. I realize it's not probably going to be as good as hers, but oh man. Oh, this is not right. This is not right. Smearing it all over. Okay, well that's as good as I can do. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm so bad at this.
If you just like flutter your eyes a couple times, you really
Fabulous! Ooh, fabulous!
eyebrow time.
Fabulous.
Always use
Eyebrows.
eyeliner pencil. Just pick one out of the box. Don't even look what you picked.
Okay, I'm not even looking at what I pick. Hold on. Feeling for a pencil. Okay, got one. And then, technique, girl, technique.
I really like to exaggerate the eyes, because if you don't exaggerate the eyebrows,
Exaggerate the
what are
eyebrows.
we wasting our time on? And then you have to fill it in.
Exaggerate, fill it
Always
in.
remember to fill it in.
Fill it in.
To make sure it looks pretty.
Pretty.
And if you bring your eyebrows together a little closer,
A little closer.
you'll actually look like you have a smaller nose. And every
Oh, I could use a smaller nose. Okay. So exaggerate. And then fill them in. Oh. Then we're supposed to bring them closer together because we want a smaller nose. So let's just move that in here a little bit on both sides. Keep it even. Does my nose look smaller?
Wait a minute. I forgot to do my eyeliner.
Eyeliner. Okay, so she's pulling her eye, putting it across her lash line, and then we're doing a wing.
Really pretty cat wing.
Go across the lash line. I have to hold my mirror, so I'm not going to pull my eye. Okay, and then cat eye. Just going to follow what we did here. I don't know. I just don't have the skill she has, you know. I'm not confident in myself. Okay, mascara will be way good, guys. Way good. She is doing bottom lashes.
Oh my gosh, I kind of look like a movie star character.
Okay, let's just be clear. She wants to be a movie star character, not a movie star. So bottom lashes. And top lashes. Oh! Poked myself in the eye. Success. Lipstick.
If possible, and you want that Kendall Jenner look, so you need to overline your lips. Really good. Just who can afford lip injection, guys? So we really
Lip
need
inject.
accentuate those lips. Hold on.
Accentuate?
It looks silly, but I
How do we
promise you.
accentuate? I don't have a red lipstick. I do have is this purple one. I'm gonna get this on, okay? Get it on this lipstick. Okay. We can't afford lip injects here, so I gotta go big or go home, right? And now we're supposed to extenuate the lips, and I don't know what that means. I'm gonna also take some of this glittery Ciate London on my finger, and I'm gonna extenuate the lips with this, and it's just gonna go like that. Ooh, are we extenuated? She wanted glitter. I gave her glitter. Extenuate. We are extenuated. Okay.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. I'm very disappointed in myself. I think this looks terrible, and I completely did this wrong. I think this is user error. I just clearly don't know how to follow a tutorial, and I fucked this up, guys. I fucked this up. I can't go out in public like this. All right, well, I'm sorry. This was a huge disaster, and I'm no good at makeup or following instruction. I don't know what I'm doing in this industry, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Leave me a thumbs up if you really have to, and we'll see you in the next one.